The next time you contemplate your outfit, do not let outdated fashion rules dictate your choices. Embrace the unexpected. Hello, welcome back to the channel. My name is Eva and this channel is on all things fashion. And in today's video, we are going to be debunking some popular fashion myths. So stay tuned if you want to see that. How are you and how have you been? Let me know in the comment section. The first lie that the industry has sold is that clothes look better on slim ladies. I do not know where that came from, but that is not true. That is not true at all. Have you seen online, on Instagram for example, you see reels where a slim lady and a chubby lady, they wear one outfit and they are like, okay, look at this outfit on us. If you take a close look at them, you would find that both ladies in both gowns, they have their own appeal. There is nothing wrong with your body. Nothing is wrong with your body at all. You just have to find a dress that fits your body and you are good to go. Please do not retract or shy away from wearing hot sexy evening dresses and you go back to your jeans and your polo tops because you read somewhere or you saw somewhere that hot dresses only look nice on slim ladies. Please, that is not true. And what I like about the industry now is that they are beginning to involve the big, bold, and the beautiful. I have seen walkways that are just for the big, bold, and beautiful. I have seen brands that just represent the big, bold, and the beautiful. And I love that very much. At least now everybody is included. Nobody is left out of anything. Again, there is nothing wrong with your body. Just find a dress that looks good on you, that fits you perfectly. Wear it, rock your world. If you subscribe to that, please unsubscribe right now. It ends today. That is a very, very big lie. The next myth is that following trends is the only way to look good. I have said it times and times again that you do not need to follow trends. You don't even need to do that at all. If you have a wardrobe full of clothes or full of styles that are true to you, that is all you need to have. I barely follow trends myself, and I still step out, I still look good, I still wear what I'm comfortable in. I am happy in what I'm putting on, trendy or not. Not that following trends is bad, but I'll advise you follow trends that are true to you. Sometimes something that is not your style type may be trending. If you hop on that trend, you will find that you are going to lose the money you use in buying that stuff, and you may not even wear it as much as you think you will. It would have been a waste. Having a closet full of basics, a closet full of classic pieces, and then a touch of trends here and there, I think it is very, very okay. So that when you have on your base and you pop in one or two trends in that outfit, you will find that you are still on point. You will find that you are still up to date. You do not need to follow every single trend there is. You are going to very quickly get exhausted. You are going to very quickly get overwhelmed because you are everywhere all at once. You are not working with what you already have in your wardrobe. And I think that is no way to go. That is no way to go at all. You need to listen to yourself, listen to your style, listen to what you put on that you're most comfortable in. Those are the things you should invest in. And then if you choose to work with some trends, you are good to go. Heels are more sophisticated than flats. Whoever said that. Yes, it adds to your height. Yes, your legs look great in them killer heels. Yes, you are strutting and everybody and commanding all the attention. That does not mean that you look more sophisticated than the next lady that is just chilling in her flats. Heels can change the way you carry yourself. If you walk somewhere on flats, you must coordinate yourself on heels because you are trying not to twist your ankles. But I don't think that is the only way you can walk on your carriage. You can wear your flats and command as much attention as the lady on heels. It is not about the shoes, it is about you. How do you carry yourself on a normal day, heels or flats? Is your chin up? Are you slouching? Is your chest out? Are you making eye contact? Is your handshake firm? Whether you are on heels, you are on flats, even if you are barefooted, there's a way you carry yourself and instant sophistication. Your courage is in place. You know who you are. You are comfortable in your skin, heels or not. Heels are beautiful, but if you are not comfortable in heels, please do not feel pressured. Wear your flats, wear your sneakers, wear whatever type of shoes that you own. If you want to invest in heels or you want to learn how to wear heels, you can do that. But don't do that because it is trending or because they said that heels look better than flats. No, it does not. No, it does not suddenly give courage. No. The courage has to come from you. The next myth is that you get what you pay for. That is not true. That you bought it more expensive than the next piece doesn't mean it's going to last longer than that piece. Anybody can make anything and put any price on it. Whether it's quality, we do not know. The processes they use in making these things, do they ensure that they are sustainable and they are going to last for a long period of time? We don't know. Do they use the best materials? We do not know. But then they put a price on it, they run ads on it, and it's in your face. Everybody is wearing it in different colors. It is beautiful, it is shiny. And then you save up, you get the space, it gets to you and falls apart. And you're like, oh, what is going on? But it is supposed to be quality because of the price. No, that is not true. Price doesn't indicate quality. Companies do not charge you based on what that piece is worth. They charge you based on what they think you are willing to pay. So it is up to you to know the difference between quality and non-quality materials that go into your pieces. In one of my videos on this channel, I have mentioned that it is wrong to mix silver and gold jewelries. And like I said in the beginning of this video, this world of style is a world of endless possibilities waiting to be explored. And now, in this age and time, you can mix your jewelries. You can mix your silver with your gold and any other shade of stone that you have. So I am debunking what I have also said on this channel. Although I am a millennial, what I have just said, I have tried it out just once. I wore my silver bracelet and my gold wristwatch to church. All through service, I was not comfortable. I kept stealing looks at it, like, ooh, I am trying to get acquainted. I am trying to, get to know them working together. I'm a millennial. But in this age and time, like I always say, anything goes. And right now, what is going is that you can mix your silver and your gold jewelries and you will be right. I never thought I would say this, but the more you are on this thing, the more you learn, the more you unlearn some things as well. So, ladies and gentlemen, you are free to mix whatever color of stone or whatever color of jewelry that you own. I'm still trying to get used to that, but we'll see. We will see. Now, some brands, they have made it easier by mixing both colors in one piece. I have seen wristwatches that come with silver and gold color on them. So if you are still shaky on how to mix them, you can get these pieces and, it does the job for you. I don't know. I am going to try and explore this even more and I'll see how it goes. The next myth is that matching your belt and your shoes and sometimes your bag is a must. That is so yesterday. That is so throwback. I remember growing up, what is considered color coordination would be that your shirt and your pants, they are in the same color. Then your belt, your shoes, and your handbag are also in the same color. If you are to step out looking like this, then people are like, whoa, she is looking good. She is looking put together. Oh my God, look at this fit. No, that was then. This is now. And I like this so much because it forces you to be creative. You know, having everything in one color, that is all I need to do. I'm okay. But because that is not the case now, you are forced to think, okay, well, how do I mix these things to get something else, something cooler? Because I work with ladies all the time and they are like, oh, I need to get yellow bag and shoe. I need to get pink bag and shoe. I need to get green bag and shoe. They are getting these things together in the same color all the time. You see that it has been wired in them. It is wired in us somehow that once your shoes and your bag are matching, every other thing just magically gets in place. Please, that is not true. If you are holding on to that myth, please let it go right now. Try and just pair your things on your own. They mustn't match, but they can coordinate still. And the last myth for today is that mixing prints is not cool. What? In my just uploaded video where I styled a waistcoat in different ways, I mixed prints a couple times. And even before that video, I have been preaching about mixing prints. It is so cool when you do it right because not very many people can do that. I have also advised that if you are starting off on mixing prints, like I said in my video on how to elevate your basics, you can start off with one print, pick a color from that print, and then do that color as your top or your bottom. As opposed to just wearing solid colors all the time, you can mix it with print and then very gradually you can start mixing prints. And I also said that you can start off with classic prints like pinstripes, stripes, polka dots, simple floral arrangement kind of prints. I think these are very basic ways to start off with your mixing prints. Mixing prints are so cool. Now, I was with a friend of mine the other day, like 2 days ago. I showed her a picture. I showed her a picture of mine where I clashed prints, and she was like, hey, Eva, what are you mixing again? And she's like, oh no, if I were to do this, I would wear this piece in black, wear this piece in white, wear this piece in white. I was like, okay, thank you. I like it. It is my style, so it stays. I feel that certain people, they are still getting used to the idea. They are getting there, but they are getting there very, very slowly. Fashion is all about self-expression, so do not feel constricted. Allow your creativity to run wild. Mix and match whatever, whenever. As we can see in this video, I have debunked some things that I have preached about in the past. This is because fashion is evolving, fashion is changing. Every day, new things are coming up. We are picking new trends, we are dropping old ones, we are learning new things, we are unlearning old things. And even if these things should circle and come back to us, I am here for all of that. I am here for, the lessons, the tips, the tricks, the new creative ways we are going to wear pieces. I am so down for all of that. And if you are down with me, please consider subscribing to this channel as I am going to continue bringing us fashion tips and tricks and trends our way. And if you liked this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to see me again, please turn on the bell icon so they tell you whenever I put up a new video. Also, let me know which of the myths that you have held on to for far too long in the comment section and how you are looking to change things around in your wardrobe. Thank you so much for watching up until this point. My name is Eva and this channel is on fashion. Have a good day now. Bye.